Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever feel like you're just dragging yourself through the day, no matter how much sleep you get? It might not just be stress or a busy schedule. Your body could be sending you a subtle but serious message. Today, we're talking about an organ that works tirelessly behind the scenes, your liver. It's your body's master filter, metabolism regulator, and digestive powerhouse. But when it gets overwhelmed, it starts sending out distress signals. Ignoring them can lead to serious problems down the line. So, let's dive into 10 powerful signs your liver might be crying for help, and stick around to the end because we'll also cover what you can do about it. First up, sign number 1, constant fatigue. We're not just talking about being a little tired after a long day. This is a deep, persistent exhaustion that doesn't go away even after a full night's rest. When your liver is overworked, it struggles to efficiently convert the food you eat into usable energy. It's like your body's power plant is running at half capacity, leaving you feeling completely drained. If you're constantly running on empty, your liver might be the reason why. Sign number 2 is digestive trouble. Are you frequently dealing with bloating, gas, nausea, or a sudden loss of appetite? Your liver produces bile, which is absolutely essential for breaking down fats in your diet. If your liver isn't functioning properly, bile production can slow down or become impaired. This means fats aren't digested well, leading to that uncomfortable, heavy feeling in your stomach and a whole host of digestive complaints. It's a clear signal that your digestive system isn't getting the support it needs from your liver. Next, we have sign number 3, and it's one of the most well-known, yellowish skin or eyes, also known as jaundice. This happens when a yellow substance called bilirubin builds up in your blood. A healthy liver processes and gets rid of bilirubin, but a struggling liver can't keep up. This buildup causes that distinct yellow tint in your skin and the whites of your eyes. While it can be alarming, it's a critical sign that your liver's detoxification system is in serious distress and needs immediate attention. Moving on to sign number 4, unexplained weight gain, especially around your belly. If you're eating well and exercising but still packing on pounds, particularly in your midsection, a sluggish liver could be the culprit. A healthy liver is a fat-burning machine. But when it's overloaded with toxins, it can't process fats and sugars efficiently. Instead, it starts storing them, often as visceral fat right around your abdominal organs, leading to that stubborn belly fat that just won't budge. Sign number 5 involves changes in your bathroom habits, specifically, dark urine or pale stools. The color of your waste can tell you a lot about your internal health. Urine that is consistently dark orange, brown, or amber-colored can indicate that your liver isn't filtering your blood properly. On the other hand, stools that are unusually pale, clay-colored, or gray can signal a problem with bile flow, possibly from liver inflammation or a blocked bile duct. Don't ignore these color changes, they are direct messages from your body. Let's talk about your skin. Sign number 6 is persistent skin problems. If your liver can't filter out toxins effectively, your body will try to push them out through other means, and your skin is a major exit route. This can manifest as chronic itchiness, unexplained rashes, eczema, or even acne breakouts. If you're battling skin issues that just won't clear up, it might be a reflection of what's happening inside your liver. Sign number 7 is a bit surprising, mood swings or brain fog. Your liver plays a key role in regulating hormones and filtering toxins from your bloodstream that can affect your brain. When it's not working well, toxins can accumulate and cross the blood-brain barrier, leading to confusion, poor concentration, memory issues, and even irritability or feelings of depression. If you feel like your mind is constantly in a fog, it could be a sign that your liver needs support. Sign number 8 is bad breath or a change in body odor. This might be a little embarrassing to talk about, but it's an important clue. When your liver is overwhelmed and can't effectively neutralize and eliminate toxins, these compounds can be released from your body through your lungs and sweat glands. This can result in a distinct, unpleasant breath odor, sometimes described as sweet or musty, and a stronger body odor than usual. Finally, sign number 9 is easy bruising or bleeding. Your liver is responsible for producing proteins that are essential for blood clotting. When liver function is impaired, it can't produce enough of these clotting factors. As a result, you might find that you bruise very easily, even from a light bump, or that small cuts take much longer to stop bleeding. It's a serious sign that your liver's ability to perform its basic functions is compromised. If any of these signs sound familiar, please don't panic, but do take them seriously. The best first step is to consult with a healthcare professional to get a proper diagnosis. They can run tests to see what's really going on. In the meantime, you can support your liver health by reducing alcohol intake, eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, staying hydrated, and getting regular exercise. Your liver is incredibly resilient, and making positive lifestyle changes can make a huge difference. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next one.